Namaste everyone. In area of combination of plane figures, let us see question number 9 of the exercise. And the question is, in figure 12.27, AB and CD are diameters of a circle which are perpendicular to each other. Then, and OD is the diameter of smaller circle. OD is the diameter of smaller circle. Here OD is the radius of larger circle and same OD is the diameter of smaller circle. Then if OA, we are given OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. Now let us see what is shaded region. First of all, a smaller circle is shaded. Then the segment AOC and segment VOC are shaded. So, what will be the area of shaded region? Let us write down the dimensions of the given figure first of all. So, radius of larger circle equals to, let us take it by capital R, will be equals to 7 centimeter. Then, diameter of smaller circle equals to same the radius of larger circle, that is 7 centimeter. So, small d, and radius will be equals to radius small r will be equals to diameter upon 2, which is equals to 7 upon 2. Then what will be the area of shaded region? Will be equals to area of smaller circle plus area of these two segments. Then so this will be equals to area of segment under chord AC plus area of segment under chord BC. So what will be area of semicircle? It is pi into, I have taken radius equals to small r, so this is equals to pi r square plus area of segment AC and area of segment under BC will be equal. Why? Because OA, OC and OB all three are radii. So you can write 2 multiplied by area of quadrant minus area of triangle AOC, or you can say VOC. So let us replace the values. Pi is 22 upon 7, r square, r is 7 upon 2, so you can write 7 upon 2 square plus 2 into area of quadrant. So quadrant is 1/4 of the circle, so it is 1 upon 4 into pi capital R square. So capital R is 7, so into pi 7 square minus area of triangle AOC. Now concentrate on triangle AOC. It is a right angle triangle where OC is equals to OA and both are equals to 7 centimeter. So this will be equals to half into base into height. Base is OC and height is OA. This will be equals to 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 7, so it is 7 into 7 minus half into 7 into 7. Calculate it now. Here 7 1 is 7, and 2 11s are 22. Then same here, 7 1s are 7, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. Then here 7 7s are 49 upon 2. So let us calculate it. This is 77 upon 2 plus 2 multiplied by 11 7s are 77 upon 2 minus 7 7s are 49 upon 2. This will be equals to, let us simplify inside the bracket first of all. This will be equals to 77 upon 2 plus 2 multiplied by, here LCM is 2 and numerators will be 77 minus 49. So 2 1s are 2 and this will be equals to 77 upon 2 plus 77 minus 49 will be equals to 28 upon 1. Simplify it to as it is, 77 1s are 77 and 28 2s are 56, which is equals to 133 upon 2. You can write in decimal form, 66.5 centimeter square is the area of shaded region. In same exercise, let us see question number 15. It is in figure 12.33, ABC is the quadrant of a circle. Means this ABC is the quadrant of a circle. This angle is given equals to 90 degree. Then the second thing is given, its radius is 14 centimeter, means AB as well as AC both are given equals to 14 centimeter. Then a semicircle is drawn with side BC, means by taking this BC as the diameter, a semicircle is drawn. Then in the semicircle, find the area of shaded region. So shaded region is above this segment BC. So how we can find out? Let us see. It is little different question, so you have to concentrate how we have to solve it. So first of all, we have to find out the area of segment BC, means the area of this part. So to find out the area of segment BC, we have to see the radius first of all. So radius of circle is given equals to 14 centimeter, radius of quadrant. Then the area of segment BC, area of segment BC will be equals to area of quadrant, that is 1/4 pi r square minus area of triangle ABC. So here area of quadrant will be 1/4, pi is 22 upon 7 and r square, radius square is 14 square, can be written as 14 into 14 minus, same thing here, area of triangle ABC, that is half into base AC is 14 centimeter as well as height AB is also 14 centimeter. So let us calculate it. 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 11s are 22. Same here, 2 7s are 14. So this will be equals to 14 into 11 will be equals to 154 minus 14 into 7 will be 98 and will be equals to 56 centimeter square. Now what will be the area of semicircle? So first of all, we need to find out the radius of semicircle with diameter BC. So BC in triangle ABC will be equals to, in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square will be equals to AB square plus AC square. We know that hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So BC square will be equals to 14 square plus 14 square. This can be written as BC square equals to 2 times 14 square, and BC will be equals to square root of 2 times 14 square, which will be equals to 14 square root 2 centimeter. Now radius of semicircle will be equals to, now see, BC is the diameter and radius will be half of diameter, that is BC upon 2 will be equals to 14 square root 2 upon 2. 2 sevens are 14, this will be equals to 7 square root 2 centimeter. So area of semicircle will be half pi r square, which is equals to half into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 square root 2. So you can write 7 square root 2. Square is there, so you can multiply 2 times directly. So this will be equals to 7 ones are 7, 2 11s are 22, and 11 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 2s are 4, and square root of 4 is 2. This is equal to 77 2s are 154 centimeter square. Now what will be the area of shaded region? Now let me show you something. If I will erase this segment from the semicircle, what is left? Shaded region only. So what we have to do? Area of shaded region will be equals to area of semicircle, that is 154 centimeter square, minus area of segment. Area of segment was 56 centimeter square, so minus 56 centimeter square. So this will be equals to 98 centimeter square is your required answer.